Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm back in Dubai, so the quality of the content is gonna improve yet again. So hopefully the sound is good, hopefully the picture is good, and hopefully you guys are in a good mood to make some money. So let's get straight into this because there's a lot of news to discuss today, and warning, the last piece of news in this video is going to be the juiciest one so far. I think it is the biggest thing ever officially, and it's not clickbait for crypto. So stay around until the end and you're gonna find out and you'll be like, holy shit, this could really be the next narrative. So let's get into it. In terms of Bitcoin, it still makes us happy. So we're close to all-time high, 95,000. We crashed down to 91, 10% correction. It's fine. Mid-cycle is always happening. So, and we might even have a bigger correction, which is what we're going to discuss as well. So that's why I said stick around till the end. However, there is something that I'm not going to spoil it for you. But anyway, I'm also going to discuss some trades in terms of our trades, actually. So Say is doing quite well after our entry. Solana is doing quite well after our entry. I mean, in terms of Say, look at the perfection of this entry. And this is the daily chart. So I think I'm going to keep it for now. And look, the profits, pretty crazy. 43,000, 48,000, 77,000. I started this account with 200,000, like few weeks ago, and now it has 362,000. So that's real nice. And I'm not even talking about the Ethereum trade, which is slowly getting better. Again, the funding here is about 100,000, 120,000. The rest was just because I was rebalancing the trade. So for some reason, it put in some loss into realized P&L, which is not accurate, by the way. So it's weird. I don't know why it is like this, but all I care about is this right here. So, and the craziest part of this trade right here is that a lot of people don't believe it. But if you look at the price action, it is only the beginning. We're going to discuss this shortly. And certainly, guys, you can see that I'm trading over on Bybit. And again, I don't want you to hate me, but I want you to use these bonuses. So up to $30,000 in welcome rewards, something you can use for your own trading, something that goes into your account and you can actually claim it through the reward center. But the craziest thing, if you sign up with Bybit using my link down in the description of this video, you can also claim, which is I think cooler than the deposit bonus, is a 40 to up to 42% discount on trading fees, which is if you're an active trader, you cannot really miss it. This is something that is going to save you a lot of money. So pay attention to it. And even already, if you have an account on Bybit, you can create a new one using my a different form of identification, such as, for example, a driver's license. So now, before I give you the juice of this video, before I talk about actually about altcoins, let me know that in the comments if I should do a separate video about my altcoins that I'm currently my entire package that I'm holding. So the entire holding of my altcoin portfolio. So let me know if that's something that is interesting for you, even though we've discussed it partly before. Now, about ETFs a little bit, which makes me quite happy. If you look at the Bitcoin ETF, it has slowed down a tiny bit, 100 million yesterday. But if you actually look at Ethereum, we had 90 million yesterday. So Ethereum ETF is ramping up, actually, which is what is fueling my sentiment, the narrative change that I think is going to be coming about. And certainly, guys, I just came about the game changer. If you want to learn how to trade and you want to learn it for less than $1 a day, then Game Changer is the place for you. I'm going to leave a link to the Game Changer down in the description of this video. And besides trading, you can learn about blockchain, mindset, spirituality, investments, personal finances, even relationships. We're going to have like 20 different things in there with time, marketing, personal brand, social media, everything less than $1 a day. So GameChangerCommunity.com to transform your life for good. Now news. And remember, the last one is the juiciest one. Russia has just approved tax exemptions for crypto mining and sales transactions, which is not huge, but it is still bullish because it just shows the attention of the entire world to the industry. So now this is what we're getting into the juicy part of the video. The next 5 months will be absolutely huge for altcoins. Now, full disclosure, for it to really come to fruition, I want to see Bitcoin dominance tiny bit lower. So here, a lot of people are saying that we're saying that Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Yeah, it kind of looks great. I mean, we kind of broke this support here, but I mean, this has happened so many times before that I wouldn't really care about this that much until we break this support, the white one, as well as the red one. So really want to see Bitcoin dominance come closer to 55% for us to say, okay, we possibly are going really powerfully into the old season. Because why that is, if you actually zoom out on a weekly chart and you actually zoom out, please people, learn to zoom out. That's very important, not just in crypto. And we had a very big turn in dominance here, and then here in 2020, and then hopefully here in 2024, 2025, that we're actually going to see a big drop. But if you see the current correction in Bitcoin dominance, it's not that huge yet, right? So we want to see this trend actually get killed, just like we've had this uptrend, and finally here we killed it. So the same thing here, we want to really kill this uptrend, at least break this support, and go back into the structure that we've had right here, creating a false break going down. So that would be really preferable for me to actually say, okay, we're going into a massive alt season, and the volume also is just pretty intense. It is pretty crazy. But nonetheless, this is what is also fueling the concept that we're going to have a very huge altcoin rally coming up. Because right now you see in terms of Bitcoin, we're all-time high. We're just pumping and pumping because of the ETFs, obviously. And in terms of altcoins, yeah, altcoins pumped a bit, but they're still very far away from the all-time high. And even if you look at Ethereum, if you think that you're too late to the party, look at Ethereum. You're not too late to the party. I mean, this will begin, and I think it still is going to, percentage-wise, it's going to outperform Bitcoin. So look, compare the charts, and you will see what still has the potential, what still hasn't pumped. Ethereum still hasn't pumped. So many other altcoins haven't pumped. That's why I'm keeping these trades here, because, yeah, short-term may be something, but overall, I think that these trades will play out, and I'm going to have more trades for you guys, probably on Monday, so stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join my Telegram channel, link down in the description of this video. Better would be for you to join my trading club as well, but that's a paid feature. This is where you get all the trades immediately, and there is a link to my trading club down in the description of this video. This is where if you stayed for 12 months, it's going to be worth it. But anyway, now let me finish these thoughts here. So certainly this is obvious. This here is obviously good. This is obvious. This is also the explanation of the obvious narrative that first we had the phase of Bitcoin. The next phase, and that's why you're saying that we're entering the phase 2 right now, is Ethereum, then large caps, and then alt season. Even though we've seen this cycle that it has been a bit different. We had Bitcoin and we had meme coins, which usually are in phase 4. So it has changed a bit. But I just had a thought. What if we really see the drop in Bitcoin dominance real hard, and Ethereum picks up in terms of DTF, which is what, this is Bitcoin, which is what we were saying right now, and at some point maybe would stay a little bit more positive than Bitcoin, for example, the ETF, I mean. And this could create this fueling of this narrative that, finally we have Ethereum and the altcoin market. So this might be the change of narrative right now, hopefully maybe going into the same good old structure that we've had in previous cycles that we all forgot about at this point because of meme coins. So also one more news before the biggest news of this video, and I know I'm excited. It's Friday, I'm back in Dubai, and the market is great. You guys are doing something fantastic. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations. So anyway, Hong Kong plans for tax exemptions for crypto gains for private equity funds and hedge funds and high net worth investment vehicles, which is also very bullish. But what is the most bullish thing ever for Bitcoin and therefore cryptocurrency? And this is this narrative right here. Speculation grows about countries preemptively building Bitcoin reserves ahead of the forthcoming Trump administration, Mara Holdings. So the concept here is, and this is very true, if Trump will actually use the Bitcoin that the US currently holds as the Bitcoin reserve, together with Cynthia Loomis, is what they will do, other countries will follow suit. And now imagine, America is buying 200,000 Bitcoin a year for 5 years, so that's 1 million Bitcoin together. They hold 200,000, that's 1.2 million. ETFs hold over 1 million Bitcoin already. And then we have other countries FOMO into it, other United States and other big corporations. Do you just understand where we are right now? Do you understand or not? That's what I want to leave you in terms of your thought tonight. And just as always, check out all the bonuses down in the description of this video to buy a bit. And there's so many other things as well. And also the game changer and our trading club for the next 12 months if you want to scale yourself. And just stay strong because short term, again, any corrections can happen. But long term, oh my God. See you later.